Hi everyone, welcome to No More Bad Gifts, and today I want to show you the best gifts for cat lovers. So if you have a crazy cat woman in your life or someone who loves cats, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you the best gifts to get them, and let's get into it. The first gift I want to show you is this personalized necklace with pressed flowers in it. I thought it was really cool. So you have this silhouette of a cat, and you can choose any style you like. They have up to 18 different styles, different colors for the jewelry, and also different flowers that are homegrown by the creator. Comes in this really cool gift box. You also get to choose the length of the necklace, which is really cool. And yeah, this is a really nice gift to get someone who's in love with cats. Then the next one I found are these cool socks, cat socks. And there are 5 of them, 5 different ones with different breeds of cats on them. They're really cute. I really love the design. This is the first one, the American short hair. Then you have the Scottish fold, the Siamese, the Turkish Angora cat, and the tuxedo, which is a classic one. So these are women's socks. They come in one size 5 to 9. I really like these socks. I would love to receive them myself. So the next gift is this custom cat portrait. It's a digital portrait, so it's not hand painted, but it's created digitally. So the creator asks you to send a picture of the cat, and yeah, I think it's a really cool gift for someone who likes cats, who has a cat in their home, or maybe it can be a memorial gift for someone who has lost their cat. And want to remember it. So these are some portraits that this creator have made before and sold before. They also have some dog portraits. I think they look really great. It's not cheap, but it is a special gift, a personal gift, and worth considering. These are some cute tea light holders with 2 cats on them. They're hand painted. It's a wooden box with 2 cats on them, 2 tea lights, and a cute little heart on the side. So if you're looking for affordable cat gift, this might be a great choice for you. On to the next one. 2 ceramic planters, cute cat ceramic planters. They're really modern in design. I like them a lot, and yeah, I really like the detail of the tail. So you can put anything you can plant anything you want in them. They come with matching scarves, which is really nice, as you can see. So a great addition for the holidays as well. This next cat gift is a minimalist jewelry piece that I really liked. It's simple, clean, but really elegant. So if you have a cat lover that's also into minimalism, this might be the gift to get them. You also can get a matching bracelet. The next cat gift that I found on Etsy are these cute cat coasters. They come in a set of 4. They're made of wool felt. They come in 4 different colors. They're perfect for someone who likes to entertain people, who's into cats, of course. This is a cute cat mug that I found on Etsy. It says 6 signs that you're secretly a cat. Number 1, you suck at making decisions. Number 2, you want to be left alone. Number 4, you're Oh, number 3, you get angry for no reason. 4, you're always judging someone. 5, you're always hungry. And 6, you want a nap 24/7. I'm sure you know someone who would love this. And then the last gift I wanted to show you is this Dandelion Cats t-shirt or sweater actually. It comes in different colors, has a really cute design. So it shows some dandelion flowers with cats floating in the wind. And comes in white, light pink, light blue, sports grey. And has a lot of good reviews. People say it's high quality, fast shipping. So you might want to consider this as a cat gift for the cat lover in your life. So that's it. I hope that I inspired you to get some cat gifts on Etsy. If you want to check out the gifts that I showed you today, then click the links in the description under this video and you'll go straight to the pages. Subscribe if you want to check out my future videos with other Etsy gifts for all kinds of occasions. Thanks so much and see you next time. Bye.